What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, my name is Sean Canoy. I do Jeep videos, adventure videos, and other random vlog style videos, so subscribe if you enjoy. Now let's get started with the Spotify car thing. So right here on my lap is the Spotify car thing. As you can see, this is exclusive to Spotify Premium members, but if you are a Spotify Premium member, you can click the link in the description. You can check this thing out. So let's go ahead and open it, see what it includes. So you can see the packaging here is really nice and simple and clean. And if we go ahead and open this right here, then you are greeted with the Spotify car thing itself. So that's what it is, basically just a screen, a knob, and a few buttons. So after you pull out the actual screen, I'll show you the whole thing in a second, but you have a little bit more cardboard that you gotta pull out, and then you have all of your accessories and ways to mount the car thing. So it can mount on your dash, it can mount in a vent, and it can mount in a CD player. Here's your CD player mount. I'll show you guys all of these first person after I show you this, but CD player mount, vent mount, you can clip it inside of your vent and it holds it there. This is the dash mount, sticky tape on the back. You can just put it on your dash and it can mount right there. I will be using the CD player mount and I'll show you why in a second. But what else we have in this box is the piece that connects to the car thing with a magnet. And you also have your cigarette lighter plug, which it plugs into, which is really useful and easy, as well as your cord, which is a braided, if I can get it out, a braided cord right here. It also comes with a cord organizer to get your cords situated, as well as a cleaning cloth. And that's it. That's all that's in the box. Super easy to hook up. I'll show you right now. So as you can see, I'll be installing this Spotify car thing into my Jeep Wrangler, which of course doesn't have any screen. My phone mounts there, and I often need to use my maps to get to any job sites or vacation spots, driving, things like that, which obviously you can't use your music or your Spotify at the same time as looking at your maps. It's not the end of the world, but it would be nice if there was a small screen. The best thing about the Spotify car thing is that it simply just connects by Bluetooth to your phone, and then from this there's a little wire that connects just right here to your cigarette lighter. And that's it. Now the mount for each accessory, it's literally just a magnet that connects to the back of the car thing. So if I put this right here, you can see it connects, and then boom, that's gonna go in my CD slip, which I'll do right now. So you can see this CD mount, it comes with like a curve so that the tension will keep it steady and in place. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to do this with one hand. Just like that, it's in, it's not going anywhere. And then you just put this like that, and you gotta plug in your power cord in this, but that is all the connections that it needs. So to get it all plugged in, it comes with this USB Type-C, I know it's not focused, but this USB Type-C plugs right into the back, just like that. And then this can just plug right up to the cigarette lighter. So then after you just get it plugged in, the last step, you can see it's already on. The last step is just to put it right there on the magnet. So this is why you have to have premium for this device, is because all you need to do is scan this QR code with your phone, and then it pulls up your account and you can start listening to music. It literally just connects to your phone via Bluetooth, and then connects to your car for the power, and that's it. It just shows your music, and it doesn't have to connect to any of your speakers through wiring and all that difficult stuff. This is the simplest screen setup that you can have. Now I think later I'm gonna try to hide the wires as best as possible, but for right now, it's incredible. So I'm gonna get this set up and I'll show you kind of how it looks and a few of the features. So after a super quick tutorial that literally plays out of your speakers after you connect this, it shows you how to play music by just saying, "Hey Spotify, play driving music."
Okay, driving music.
And just like that, it starts playing. Hey Spotify, pause. Easy, so cool and easy. And then, so obviously it is touchscreen, but you know, if you're driving, you don't want to really look at your screen or whatever. You can also use this dial here, which also has a button, just like that. You just scroll through everything, press the button, it clicks it. You can pause. You can talk to the Spotify and say pause or play. And then this button right here is just the back button, and that's it. So now you have your music right here all the time. Then you can have your phone with your navigation right here all the time. Another cool feature is these buttons on top here, which, if you can see, those can be programmed to certain playlists. So you can press it and then a playlist pops up, and then you can just very easily click between your playlists while you're driving. So there's just one last thing to do, and that is take off the protective cover. And just like that, I have a screen in my Jeep that shows the music. This Spotify car thing has to be the simplest and the best solution for older cars like this Jeep. Especially if you're someone like me who only uses Spotify for their music, this is extremely helpful because I can look at my music on one side and I can look at my phone with the navigation on the other side, and it still plays my music. I don't have to switch between the maps and the music on my phone. I can focus on the road and then change my music very easily and quickly. So if you guys enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think. Again, I'll have this Spotify car thing in the description if you want to check it out. It is $79.99, so it's not exactly cheap, but I think it's well worth it. You get a whole screen. You don't even have to mess with your wiring. All you gotta do is plug it in, connect to your phone, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. I'm very excited about this. Peace.